Baltic. Absolutely Baltic. See if you know where we are. Where are we to then? Top secret. Shh. Blowing holy. Holy! Anyway, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Let me put you down for a minute. Oh, sort you out there. Well, don't know if that's right. Is that right? Is it? Oh, fuck it.
Doing some chores.
Yeah. We're up in North Wales. We come up here for Valentines. As I told you in the short on. You took it off my ass. She's on this ago.
That was the dog.
Christ. Anyway, we're up in North Wales. We're up on the ledge. We got up here last night, after work. Parked up in Oswestry, and I come up having a nose around Wrexham for 10 minutes because I forgot the Valentine's card. But yeah, I did this morning, Valentine's card. I was going to get her flowers, but well, you didn't know where to put flowers.
Not practical in a van.
Happy Valentine's! So, yeah. We booked a hot tub. Well, what's the campsite?
I can't pronounce it, but it's like Waenfacen.
And I'm Welsh.
Waenfacen.
What's it called?
Waenfacen.
Waenfacen.
What?
Well, it's hot tub here, so say no more. We got 2 nights hot tub for Valentine's and chill out this weekend. But I'm gonna drag my young lady.
How do you pronounce it?
Waenfacen. Oh, it is, yeah. Waenfacen Glamping site. Where is it? Let me have a look.
Conwy Valley.
It's in the Conwy Valley. It's near Llandudno, it is. How much it cost? About 80 quid, is it?
110 for 2 nights.
110, 2 nights, hot tub. And obviously, you can caravan, tent, or camper van, whatever you choose. But the best thing this weekend, we got up the Waterfall Pass. And really, we got up the Waterfall Pass to have a nose. It is blowing a gale. It's really bad. Weather's really rough. No, look, can you see this fucking rocking?
It's -1, but feels like -10 apparently.
Yeah, it is. It's lovely weather. My favourite weather. So we're going to have a look at the Waterfall Pass. Hopefully tomorrow morning. And then back to the campsite then for hot tub in the evening. To chill out. And then on Sunday, I want to go and do a Trevan. But it's called a Trevan Circular. It starts on the north face. If you know anything about Trevan, it's the north face is sketchy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in the opposite direction. So the original route goes up. Well, it can't be the original route, but as it is on all trays, it goes up the north face around the top and back down the back end of Trevan. I'll get Ailey to put a screenshot up of the route we're going to take, but we're going to go up the wrong way round, so it's not so gnarly to start off with. And I've told Ailey, I said we'll go as far as you are comfortable with.
The third attempt.
The third attempt, because the last time we went up, we couldn't see nothing. It's just clouds everywhere. First time was like no go, so we went to the opposite mountain. We done that one, but this one we're going to have a good go at it this time. We're not going to go to the top if the weather bad. Look, we're not professionals at this. I've done a lot of walking over the years, but what do you say?
The van's rocking now, just in this wind.
Yeah, and well, the ledge here is very open up here. Beautiful sights up here, but it's really cold, isn't it?
Very.
And if I say it's cold, it's got to be cold, because I love the
It's
cold.
The wind, icy wind.
Yeah, so the wind's really nasty. So we're just waiting here at the moment for a bit. Taff's destination, as you know, comes to stage, a good friend of ours, and he's gone to the dentist, so he should be up here now, 10:15. He should be up here in a bit. So yeah, we'll catch you later. We'll see you in a bit now. With cup of coffee.
Again.
What do you mean again?
Always time for a coffee.
Taff's favourite words. Yeah, so we're gonna Crack on, bear. We'll see you in a bit now. We'll catch up with you later. Ta-ra, guys. Oh, God. With this, you know what it's like, tough. Look at it over there. We got shelter behind that place there, behind the barn. Sound. Get out this wind. Otherwise he'd be seasick in a camper van. And get a bwrw glawr. Come on. Gonna go back a bit more. Go and boil that. What's happening this weekend then?
If you're looking there, this is where we're going to be all weekend.
So, tell us what you're going to be wearing, eh?
I'm going to be wearing a bikini. And you've got a matching one too.
Have I got a mankini?
Yes, we're going in that hot tub.
Look at it. There's the hot tub. Hot tubs and Alec? Hot tub. Ooh.
Special glamping pod.
Oh look, a Guinness o'clock. What's for food?
You've got an M&S special.
Yeah, but what is it?
It's a Greg's pasty. What's your favourite?
She's not lying
and
either.
You've got a pan of chocolate.
What's it called? Beef Wellington.
Yeah.
It's called beef Wellington, which is basically a piece of steak in pastry. So it's a Greg's steak slice.
Would have been cheaper.
It would have been, yeah. But it is actually a piece of steak. So beef Wellington.
It's fillet steak.
Is it fillet steak? Ooh. Fillet steak or what?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms.
If you get it wrong and cook it wrong, it's going to be your fault.
I never cooked anything wrong.
Steak is inside the pastry, you can't see it.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's going to be too tough. I think it's a tough steak.
We'll soon find out.
Let's take a video, guys. Ooh, let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Oh my God, I can't even open the door. Yeah. You see the pods, look? There's a couple here. I think it was 8 to 9, isn't it? Oh. Let's see. Nice. best bit. Whoosh. Get it warm. Fucking it is. Oh, I hate that smell. I think it was a nice place, though. Cracking place. The shades in all her glory. She needs a wash, obviously. Talk about the fan, love.
It's obvious. Trying to be funny. How does it feel to be back in Wales?
Home from home. In the rain, as usual. Yeah, they've got one there, one there, one there. There's one bit in the back there. They got like pods over there too. We're gonna look now in a minute. Let's have a look, is it? Looks tidy. Cracking place, eh? Dog walk down there, boys and girls. Camping, general camping, I think that is. Grass pitches. It's a bit windy, so I might clip on the soda. Grass pitches with electric on it. Oh, it's bright freezing. Absolutely. It's turning around, see? It's Dublin. You turn this microphone. The glampers beyond this point. That's glamping over here, then. Yeah, these are the other ones, I see. So, just talking to a couple there now, and these are glamping pods. There's a bed, kitchen, hot tub next to them. They're £188 for the night. But these are bigger over here. I think these are like family ones over here. Yeah, they're massive, these are tidy. Nice and private as well. You can't see the hot tubs. Just like that. Yeah, I like it, they're nice. Cracking pods there. Cool. Really cool. Oh, it's cold. Oh. Nobbling. Absolutely nobbling. Cracking place. I'll put a link in the description where this place is. Oh, £55 a night today. £110 we paid for the hot tub next to the camper van, and it's all indoors. So, as you can see in the video down just now, spot on. Oh, it's Arctic. I can't wait to get in the hot tub. Warm up, breeze in. I got it smell lovely. Hey, boys and girls. Look after him.
You like your wrapping paper?
Is it Lego?
Can you guess what it is yet? You didn't guess.
No way, it's a fucking horn. What's a horn? Oh my god! You got a fucking horn, motherfuckers!
Stop swearing. Shall I stop filming now?
I got on! How cool it is.
That's for real Vikings, that is.
How cool is that colour? The colour. I like that. Good.
Highland cows then, there.
Highland cows where?
We're going past them.
There's a ways we
There's a gap there, isn't there?
Up. We're going to find the showers. We're going to look at the showers. Follow the sign. Showers. A little bit of a hint for you guys. Showers this way. Lads busy at work in the rain. Don't know many roofers that work in the rain. Hard nails up here, boys. Ah, there's nails. So again, I hope nobody's in, you know. Yeah, we're good to go. Oh, heated as well. Oh, it's you share it. Sure. Oh, nice. Oh, no push buttons, like. Oh, that's a godsend. Hey, very clean, very nice, lovely. Utilities, microwave. Oh, are we cooking tonight? Indian food. Feed me. Showers. Yeah, no push buttons. So there's,
that smells very clean. It's tidy.
So there's 1, 2, 3 showers. Do what? Oh. Ooh, we forgot the washing machines. Hope I wash. Do you want us to dryer? It looks quite new too, doesn't it? It looks really new there. Nice, very nice. Pub. 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 Yeah, sound there. It's alright, like. You alright? The what? Doggy park. Doggy park? Shit, you little shit bags. Yeah, we like it, yeah. Different. We never pay for camping, do we? Ever.
Valentines.
Only your Valentine's base. I like it. It's good. The beast. Dun, dun, dun. Cheers.
Happy Valentine.
You love it. Hey! Tell you what them is, I know. Oh my god, that is boiling. Oh, nice tasting it. It does work, tell it. It actually works. These work, believe it or not. I took a piss of these for years. They work. Put it on there. Gonna put it in, up into it, yeah? The same as a lifted strap for weights. Listen to it, okay. Rest your hands end down, so don't take a grip, but just, oh, hang on. Just put your weight on them. Just walk normal and drag them behind you first. And then just generally, that's it.
Like a goat.
That fucking tarpon is annoying, though. Try it. So walk outside and you'll feel it.
Yeah. camera.
And she's off. Anyway, by the way, we're going up here. There's what's this place called?
Dinorwic Quarry.
A what?
Dinorwic Quarry.
Dinorwic.
Dinorwic.
Dinorwic. Anyway, there's a cave up here with a waterfall there. It's all over social media. It's on there all the time. And we've been talking for about 2 years about doing this, so we're going to look for it. I'm going to put it further away. Like it. So anyway, we're going to have a look. We're going to have a nose. I've taken a mick of them poles for years, right? And only today I found out how they work. The guy in the shop showed me how you use them. And I thought they were just to like, they have to support yourself to come down the hills, but you walk with them on the flat. They're for just trail walking, flat walking. Because you use the weight of your arms, you gently push down, but you use the weight of your arms to push on the pole as you walk. And it just fires you along. It's mad. It is. I was like, wow. I was taken back a bit. So I bought us a pair each. But one pair's in the post because they only had one pair there. So you know, a van is all over there, like. Miles away.
When all these bits of rubble fall, bury the van.
You don't see things like that now. You jinx us, you will. Nice here though. Can't believe how warm it is today. It's not cold at all, is it? She looks like them bloody things off. Is it the Wizard of Oz? With them long arms. Is it? No, the Wizard of Oz.
Star Wars with the.
No, they got them long legs and like long bloody, like alien-looking faces.
Here we go.
Can't take it anyway. Anyway, so look around, eh?
My arms are aching now.
You could use in your arms. You're not supposed to use your arms. Well, you are a bit, but you don't push. The snow up there. That's Crimgorch. That ridge line there. Well, not too as far as you, but
500-metre ridge.
what this one? 500 metres. Is that all it is? I thought it was like,
Length.
oh, in length. All right, okay. In length, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, I done that years ago with my mate Shane, sorry. And let's see, well, I ain't doing it again. That's a fact. No way.
We've got to scramble up that slate.
Oh, love. You have to. I'll go round.
That's alright, I got my sticks.
The last time I came down here was with Shane on my mountain bike, and I fell off up there doing stupid things again. Not like me. Is it nice, isn't it?
Tidy.
Tidy bit. Hi, Willie. I can't do this fucking. Can't do that noise to me then.
Go on the grass.
Have you rubber feet for it? You can get rubber feet. Can't do that bloody noise up there. My fucking head in it. Well, it's a treat, mate. You know, devil. Oh, God, huge difference. Huge face. The people are better than you, boys. Two people behind you. There's loads of goats up this way. on the ledge now, me and my mate eating the sound of the helicopter flown down. See what I can. What's going on?
Because that's where the goat was, do you remember, Mum? Yeah. There's this goat right on the top of the edge there.
Any water down there? God, look at that. That's cool, isn't it? That there now is the hydro plant, that is.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, there's a reservoir on the top and it comes down to the mountain through there and creates electricity. Amazing. And they pump it back up in.
Do they?
Bit of education for you.
So knowledgeable.
I already know because somebody told me don't know you before. You see it in, look at that.
What's that?
See the hole in the cave? Right on the top of it.
Oh yes, I can.
Just a square hole.
Yeah.
How random is that?
This is random.
I love place to guess.
There's another one.
Where?
Look, just go along the same line of rocks, just there.
Oh yeah, but yeah.
So that one's kind of...
The big steps, so like, you know. Because they made the slates by hand, didn't they? They chipped through the hammer.
It used to be incredible.
So you can imagine all these just bits have been dumped over the years, isn't it?
It said on the introduction at the compound that this quarry roofs the world.
Yeah, oh, never. Supplied everywhere.
Supplied everywhere. Oh God, you poor thing. What a life.
Ah, look at him. I'll have the little one.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, there's another one. Look at that. Loads of people have been in there, I know you can tell by the ground. People have done it. How porous slate isn't it? The water will run away with it. Maybe it's, oh, the pump there, look. That's for the hot water, definitely.
video that I watched, like, took me like all the way around.
Well, and I pushed like, and I fell off the side, yeah.
That's funky.
Yeah, that starts, see up the top there,
At the top, yeah.
I started up here on my push bike. My mate just turned, there was snowing up here. I thought, where's he going? And I just turned, not looking where I was going. And next thing I started screaming like a girl. Like, where? What? Oh, did he?
Yeah,
that's cool.
According to the,
Yeah.
no, that's the water, yeah. So,
It's just what it is, yeah, down here, is it?
so,
Excuse me, are the waterfalls down our way?
Yeah, through the tunnel.
Thank you very much.
I forgot where we were going.
We're looking for them.
this is so funny, Mum. We have been proper and not pop up, but it's a postcode for a bus stop. It's definitely a lot closer.
I think the beaten track shows, doesn't it?
Maybe this here.
Oh, they did a good job there. Stay on the fence. Can you, Hello. I want to hug you all.
Oh, little bugger.
There's been a few people. Pardon?
They found us down at the road.
Oh, look at it. They're beautiful dogs, aren't they? They're stunning, isn't it?
God.
Mum, you be careful because you haven't got walking boots on.
Hey, Mum. I'll send you a picture.
From that rock there, the two dogs.
Just don't look that side, look at the wall. You'll be fine. If you wait till one goes past.
Lovely sticks. A lot of door.
Thank you. Don't we need one of them?
Drainage there. G'day girls. Off for the big spiders. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, go ya.
Fucking last.
Pretty impressive.
Oh, I don't want to fucking follow me in there. Down there. Don't go flipping on Ellen.
Safer route.
Apparently, I've been watching people do this.
Yeah, go that way, the same as really.
I'm a bit top heavy.
Yeah, you just leap over the edge.
Yeah, I'm a bit top heavy. So
If you don't like drop downs, don't ever do crib dock. So the fucking ledge, the whole ridge is like that. Step lower height. Don't go that way now, fucking come this way. And I'll fucking come down on my own butt. Somebody do walking down there, don't I? Oh, they're good, aren't they? People behind me.
The goats.
Okay.
Hey? I can't see it. I think I pressed the wrong button.
Just about to turn it on and off.
I can't,
Pressed
I
it.
can't see it. It's not very bright though, is it?
No, the big floodlights are coming on. You press the button. You can't leave it paused over there because you're going to do it straight away. Right, press it again now. No, it's going on. Fuck, get out of here. For fuck's sake. Oh, it's a god. On again. You've got to press it straight away. Oh, fuck off. Fucking long water.
I can't see.
Oh, look at this. This is cool. Look at this. I gotta take a picture of that. Right. Job done. Very good.
no, I couldn't go any further than that.
Yeah, it's a bit sketchy, but
That was worth it though.
yeah, did nothing more than that there, didn't we? Did nothing like that.
That is a drop.
Trying to put the glass, I just never know.
Oh yes, you've come this far.
Yeah, never know.
Oh dear. Oh, Mumsy, I'm proud of you. Yeah.
I'm not normally good with like
Yeah,
heights.
No, I'm not.
So-
I'd rather not do it. But I've done a bungee jump somewhere, but never do it again.
Yeah,
My
just.
body automatically wants
I
to lean
can't-
this way.
Yeah, I just can't.
I'm exactly the same.
Where would you like a picture, Mum?
I don't mind as long as I'm.
If you stand here,
Look, yeah, there we go.
I will take the picture
Yeah.
from up there.
You've got the down look.
And then it will look like
You
I'm
take
really
it because
brave.
she's the photographer.
Thank you. And then I can take one of you two.
Well, when I
Yeah.
go down, just walk behind me.
Pardon?
Walk down behind me, I'll walk in front of you.
You fall on
These
them, man.
English people got lost and their car is just there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Follow the Welshman.
they walked all the way to Betws Y Coed.
You met with because she would have been hiking me down there.
You would have had another 20 minutes, like bombing down, and 20 minutes back up to that point.
Yeah, you
Bloody
were
hell.
definitely our guardian angels there.
Oh, good, good.
Oh, bless
Right,
you.
come on, Mum, you can walk down behind me, I'll walk in front of you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Do you want to hold, or do you just want to hold on to me? What do you
Yeah,
want
go
to do?
behind him, and if you fall, grab him.
No, I can't bear to think of me knocking you in.
He's got sticks, he's alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, look,
See?
look. Ready,
They're going
ready,
to come to
set.
rescue us.
Up there.
Behind them.
Yeah, so we'll try again for the RWA.
Oh yeah, we've seen that.
That cloud is cold, isn't it? But did you know with the Welsh Guards, when they're on TV and they got the goats are taken off this mountain.
Are they?
This is where they come to get the goats. Yeah.
Do they tranquilise them so that they don't go AWOL?
Do you want to lift your van?
No, it's fine, no.
Honestly, because my car is just there. I can just drive you round.
We'll walk in there.
I honestly don't mind.
Oh yeah, I can, yeah, I can see it there, look. Listen to the helicopter.
My flight on the Friday night, and we're like, yeah, tomorrow, should we come to Snowdonia?
Yeah, bright that he is. Yeah. It's too cold to go up there. Oh, that's where the little houses are, look down there. So that is what you've seen on TV. See them houses there? They walk past that, but that trail there goes down, see this road here? Yeah. That's Lambert,
We made it!
Don't follow these two! They won't get there!
We got lost.
Two gates for you. Oh yeah, there is. Look at the two gates. Oh, one for either side. Look. This one goes this way, now I'm going that way.
That's for left-handed people.
This is where they walk through left here.
Bye!
Bye!
Yeah! Down the
It's
mountain.
dark now, Wilsey. Back to the pond now, guys.
Another hour to go.
I can take it over. Half hour for you, so. Right, one.
Helicopters up.
Helicopter's on top, we'll do Crimgar. Mad fly through the cloud, eh? You're going up, look. Get up the cloud. Well, I hope they're alright. What do you imagine many people have died here? Hundreds and thousands of people. Thousands. Definitely. There's not much more than what we've done. By the time we get back, we'd have done that.